Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day today, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make family photos from your own Satoshis and also how to make family photos together with your friends. So the first step is to connect your wallet on our website, and once you do that, click on the main menu and go to the family photo page. On this page, you will see the YouTube video of this tutorial, so you can watch it if you need any help. But in general, the way you start is you click Create New Family Photo button that's on top of the page. Once you do that, in a moment, a new empty family photo is going to show up. So you can create up to 10 pending photos at a time. So that's a limit, but once you finish with one photo, it empties up the space, so you can keep on creating them. There is no limit on how many photos you can have, but at any given time, you can have up to 10 pending photos. So you've created a new one, and then click Manage Now button. So on this page, you're going to see a few sections. The first one is the preview of your family photo. And in the sections below, you're going to see all of your Satoshis and the invitation link that you can send to your friends so that they can join your family photo. So how do you make a family photo? In this first example, I'm going to show you how to make a family photo only from your own Satoshis. So you created an empty photo and you are on the Manage Photo page now. Click any of your Satoshis, and as you click on them, they will appear in the Family Members section. You will also notice the Save Changes button appear beneath the Family Members section. And once you click the Save Changes button, the photo is going to generate. Now, there are a few other important things to note. A single family photo can have a maximum of 10 Satoshis. So you cannot put more than 10 Satoshis on one photo. And you can also rearrange your Satoshis by dragging and dropping them, and you can remove them from the photo by double clicking on one of the Satoshis from your family members. Also, a family photo must have at least 2 Satoshis on it. So let's put another one. So this has 3 Satoshis at the moment. Click Save Changes, and you will see this animation appear instead of the temporary image, and in about a few seconds a family photo is going to be generated. Now, if you're not happy with how it looks, you can change the order. Click Save Changes again, and in a few seconds you will see the updated photo. Now, let's say you want to add another one, this one. Also, what's important to note is if you try to add a Satoshi that's already in the photo, it's just going to put him to the front, but you will not be able to add a single Satoshi twice on the same family photo. Let's add this guy as well, and this guy. What are we missing? 1, 3. This guy. No? Oh, good. Now we have all of our Satoshis in our family members. Click Save Changes. So what's happening in the background and why this is sometimes taking a while is the family photo is being generated and it's being uploaded to the IPFS. What you see here is a smaller version of the photo, but if you click download button in a new tab, you are going to be redirected to the full resolution family photo. So these are really big, and those are hosted on IPFS, and you can download them from here. Give it a second to load. IPFS gateways are sometimes slow, so don't worry if it doesn't load right away. Let's give it a refresh. Good. So if you zoom in, you'll see that the photo is really high resolution, and it's gonna show all of your Satoshis on one photo. Anyway, let's get back to it. So let's say you want to change the order of your Satoshis. Let's put this guy in the middle, move this guy to the end, put this guy all the way to the left. Let's do it like this, save. And you can see that the order of the Satoshis changed. If you click download again, it's going to load the regenerated image with the new order of your Satoshis. That was a really high resolution photos. Anyway, so the next thing you need to know is this button here, which marks the photo as complete. And once you click that, you won't be able to change anything on the photo anymore. But before we get to that button, let's go back to the family photos page, and you'll see that right now you have a new section on this page called pending family photos, and it shows the thumbnail of the image that we just generated. And by clicking manage now button, we go back and we can continue editing as long as you don't mark it as complete. Now let's go back, let's create another family photo. So this is the empty one. Let's go back here, and once you click mark as complete, everything else is going to disappear. Then you will only have the download option on this page anymore, so you cannot change this photo. If you go back to the family photos, you'll notice that the page changes now, and now you have two sections. You have pending family photos and you have completed family photos. This is the one that we just finished, and this is the new one that we haven't generated this one yet. So let's make only a photo of 2 Satoshis. There you go. Mark this one as complete as well. You can also click here to download it, but you can use the button. Maybe that's easier. There you go. Nice little dudes. Once you go back, you'll see only completed family photos because you do not have any active pending photos at the moment. Now, this pretty much sums up how to use the family photo feature in the single player mode. Let's call it like that. Now, let's say you want to create a family photo together with your friends. Start a new photo by clicking the Create New Family Photo button. Go to Manage Now. Add 1 or 2 of your own Satoshis, and then copy this link from the bottom. At the moment, this shows a development server link, but once you get to use this feature, it's gonna show the actual production link. So take this link, copy it, and send it to your friends. And in a minute, I'm going to show you how things work on when you are making family photos with your friends. For the second part of this video, I had to start another browser so I can show you simultaneously what's happening on your end and what's happening on your friend's end. So when doing family photos together with your friends, it's important to distinguish between a photo owner and a photo invitee. So a person who created the photo is the family owner, and only that person will be able to mark the photo as complete, and only that person will be able to reorder or remove any of the Satoshis from the photo. So this is the photo owner, and in this window here, I have another user connected using the invitation link from the bottom. So now both users see the same photo, and I think this is really cool about this feature. So let's say your friend adds this Satoshi to the photo, and as soon as they add it, you're gonna see it as well. Let's say they add another one, it's gonna show up here as well. Now, from the perspective of the invitee, you cannot drag and drop anything. So you cannot change the order of the Satoshis, and you cannot save the photo, so you cannot generate. So all the important commands are done only by the photo owner. So let's say that the photo owner sees that his friend added a few Satoshis. Let's add this guy as well, but he doesn't like the order, so he can change the order of the Satoshis. This one goes here, this one goes to the end, and as I'm doing it here as the photo owner, all of your invitees, all of your other friends are going to see the changes in real time on their end as well. Same rules apply here as well. Maximum 10 Satoshis per photo, but you can invite as many friends as you want. So you can invite 9 friends, 5, 6, it doesn't matter. As long as there are no more than 10 Satoshis on the photo. So let's try to add more than 10. This guy is already in. This guy. Once you reach the limit, you're gonna see the message that the photo is full. Now, you can remove, the invitee can remove Satoshis that they have added. So you can only remove their own Satoshis, and the process is the same. Double click the Satoshi you have added as an invitee, and it's going to be removed from the photo. Now let's do it like this. This is okay. As soon as the photo owner clicks Save Changes button, the same thing is going to happen as in previous example. The loader is going to show up, and once the photo is generated, it's going to appear here. The more Satoshis there are on the photo, the longer it's going to take to generate the photo and the thumbnail. Once it's complete, the owner is going to see download and mark as complete. This functions the same as it does when you are using it in a single player mode, and the invitee is only going to see the download button. If you click the download button, the photo is going to open in a new tab, and also full resolution. Everything works the same, and you'll be able to download the photo. Now, what's important to note is that once you go back to the family photo section of your website, you are going to see shared photos section as a new section, where you will see all the photos that you have done together with your friends. Let's say we are happy with this, and once the photo owner clicks mark as complete, both pages and both clients are going to update and going to show the photo as done and only available for download. So if you go to family photos, you'll see the shared family photos section with only one photo inside. Well, that would be it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a lot of fun making those family photos and sharing them on your social media, sharing them with your friends, just having a lot of fun in general. Thank you very much.